Edo government don't begin carry out illegal structure wey tanda for government reserved areas. Commissioner of Physical Planning and Urban Development Isoken Omo don lead the demolition of illegal structures for Trinity Way inside power line for BIU. Isoken Omo yarn tori pipo say the buildings there na illegal construction sake of say e dey very dangerous because the high tension wires fit cause katakata.
Okay, today we dey carry out the demolition for this power line for BIU. You know, so all these properties where they be for here, now illegal construction. We don't give them notice. Make it not dey safe. Make them dey on that power line. Power line not be where they build, not be where they do business. But they need a year. We don't give them for 2 years. I don't give them notice. Even 2 weeks ago, we still come and tell them make them come out. They need to agree. And you know, if anything happen here under this high tension wire, and it kill anybody, they go say the government they responsible. And they, for night, all kinds of things they go on. They encourage hooliganism and so many things, even robbery and so many things where they go on. So today we can't clear the power line. We don't make anybody there here. We want make this place they clear. If you need somewhere to rent, the place is there for you to rent to do your business. But not be on that power line. Not be for right of way. Not be for any of all those places where you're not supposed, storm water area where they provide. Not be there you're supposed to do your business. So make our people help us. We go keep this city the way we want them to be.
She still talk say na 2 years notice they don't give business owners to take park, but them no green. And say from there, then they go other places to go demolish.
I tell you, so we don't give them this notice for more than 2 years now. Now we don't serve them several notice. So they give them long time, they take a month. But once a time they listen. Other places, many of them don't serve them notice. So people will not say they don't serve them notice. May they come out for these areas where they're not supposed to be. May they just pack their things. Because when we come, we're not going to wait for you to come out your load or anything like that. And also, not be just that, even if we see demolish, we will still persecute you. Because all this is the time, you waste our time, you waste government money, but if we take to other things.
One of the structure owners, Kelvin, talk say the notice no reach 2 years. Say na 6 months notice, but it never reached 3 months ago wey dem tell them.
They give us notice, but it no reach 6 months. The 6 months notice now to give the normal man we're supposed to pack at. But with the notice is just 3 months. You know, I reach 6 months. And they don't give us renewed notice, say we they come again. We all there for this government. We all vote for this government. But we no expect, say what we they see, now we see.
Some of the structures where government destroy include shops, churches, workshops, amongst others. From Benin, Osarugwe Monday, TMC News.